We are all Siloti here, and we're gonna do a Siloti language challenge. I am a Siloti from Sunamganj. How about you?
I am a Sileti from Barlekha.
I am a Sileti from Srimangal.
We are all Siloti from different places of Silot Kingdom. Our first word is bowl. In Sunamganj, we say tagara.
In Srimangal, we say Sara.
In Barlekha we say Logon.
The next word is plastic bag. In Sunamganj, we say kisa.
In Srimangal, we say Keys.
In Barlekha we say Rang.
Our next word is blanket. In Sunamganj, we say khomli.
In Srimangal, we say Khomal.
In Barlekha we say Khomal.
Our next word is body hair. In Sunamganj, we say ruma.
In Srimangal, we say Room.
In Barlekha we say same room.
Our next word is tamarind. In Sunamganj, we say amli.
In Srimangal, we say Tetoi.
In Barlekha we say same Tetoi.
Our next word is sweet potato. In Sunamganj, we say dumbalu.
In Srimangal, we say Mawalu.
In Barlekha we say Fokiralu.